Hi viewers, welcome to our channel and Umbrella Tech. Let's start the topic. To grow your channel, to get more subscribers, mainly there are three steps you should taken care. That is, one is the thumbnail should be good and the video title should be effective and powerful. And the third one is you should give the related tags. Now in this video I will explain how to give powerful title or a subject for a video. Based on your subject only the people will search the content and get it viral, so it will reach to the more number of people, right? So to do this thing there is an extension that will help you in generating the very good titles. Let's start. So go to Google, type TubeBuddy. So click on this thing, click on TubeBuddy. Then here you will find download the extension. Click on download extension. Then click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. It is downloading. Subject or title of your video will play a key role. Based on that thing only the viewers will find your video, and generally how they will search and all will came to know. For that thing we should have the keyword research. That keyword research will give better results over here. By using TubeBuddy it will help you a lot. After downloading the screen will be like this. You need to sign in over here. For sign in, click on create account to use feature. Then click on sign in with Google. Then click on launch extension. Or else you can directly go to the YouTube channel and click on there. There you will find that new notification like TubeBuddy sign in required. To click here. So click here and click on the sign in with YouTube. And click on the Gmail account which is used for this YouTube account. Then click on allow. Then you will get the screen like this. Then click on next and all. In this next steps it will show all the features of the TubeBuddy. For more features you need to upgrade. Click on next and all. Click on the next. Here you will find the milestones also. And here you can find all the features, 4 types of features over here. Now the TubeBuddy is added as an extension for your YouTube channel. So here you can find the symbol over there, and also you can add pin it over here. So click on the extension, then find the TubeBuddy and click on the pin button. It will be pinned to your taskbar. Directly you can use. Click on the TubeBuddy. Click on the keyword explorer. Check the topic what you are going to do. How to create a YouTube channel. On this topic I am going to make a video. So we'll ask the suggestion. So it is said only 38%. So to make it effective, it will suggest you the names like this. How to create YouTube channel in 2023, how to create YouTube channel and earn money, how to create YouTube channel on your phone. That will suggest you the rare and effective and powerful title to keep. So now I will click any one suggestion of this thing. Now see, that is excellent, 100%. So you can name it as how to create a YouTube channel 2023. There is plenty of opportunity to get more views and to get it searched by the more people. Like that, you need to do the keyword research by taking the help of the YouTube buddy.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's useful. So please like and share to be a part of sharing knowledge to reach more people. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback on comment section below to improve our self in coming future.